Hi, I'm George Cada with Lally Chevrolet. I wanted to go over a quick thing on the newer vehicles with a liftgate. If you look inside here, there's a switch right here in the door, and it's usually set at 3/4, which means the liftgate only goes up just a partial way. Now, if you put that to max, it'll lift up all the way, which is great for us taller people because we don't hit our head on it. And if you need a shorter one, you can always set it back to 3/4. Now, the other thing about the programmable liftgate is if you do set it to 3/4, right like that, and you open it, because you are a little bit shorter, it's only going to go up so far. But if you need more room, you just put your hand on it and lift it right up, and it'll go all the way. And then the next time you open the liftgate, it'll go back to your programmable setting. Hope that helped you out. Once again, my name is George Cada. I'm here with Lally Chevrolet. Give me a call, 216-230-3019. Be happy to help you out with any questions on your new vehicles that you may have. Have a great day.